It's a pleasure to be the first to welcome you to APIS's 2024 Investor Conference in our 10th anniversary year. We're very excited to see you all here.
Probably the most important asset of the firm is actually our people. We have probably one of the most diverse teams out there in the industry.
APIS wouldn't be APIS without me talking about two of the very important areas that we focus on, which is ESG and impact. When we set up the firm, one of the things we said was that there is a way to do this responsibly. And returns with responsibility was something that we were very, very focused on.
This is APIS's 10th year anniversary. And what that also means is that it's also a 10th year anniversary of our focus on ESG and impact. Because we've been thinking about this from day one, from the inception of the firm.
This year and next year are going to be some of the best vintages in private equity for probably 2 decades. And the reason behind that is that we are in a perfect storm.
We will have returned $560 million to investors by the end of the year, giving a DPI in excess of 2 times.
I think it's really important to anticipate what will be the market trends in the coming years and how we can leverage on all these changes we see in AI and others to really create value.
Investing is investing. I think whether you're investing in anything, there's an element of risk management, opportunity assessment, and then path dependency.
I have seen some divergence between the 2 sectors in the markets, but also many different complementary aspects to it.
We are focused on value creation. And with this investment, we see multiple avenues for value creation.
We have invested $70 million across multiple tranches for a significant minority stake in the business.
APIS has really helped Coda to cement its position as the leading player in this space.
This year in January, we exited our remaining shares in Network International for a consideration of $26 million.
Mobile gaming alone is over $100 billion in 2024. Most people estimate the totality of the App Store revenue at around $200 billion this year. If you take a 30% cut of that, that's $60 billion in profit for 2 companies.
The idea that you could use generative AI in a regulated business to deliver, I'm skeptical about that. Now, can you use generative AI inside the business to help improve productivity and so on? That's clearly true.
The future is extremely difficult to predict, but not that difficult to adapt to.
AGI is going to challenge our biases, our concepts, our view of the world. This is probably the most interesting time to be alive in the history of mankind.